little bit restriction here. Okay. Wow. That's a lot one.
Yeah,
Huh?
that
Cool.
was good.
Relax your head on my hand. Wow. Cool. Feeling right?
Yeah, good.
Good.
In the morning when I
Okay.
have not like stood on it for the obviously whole night, and then I get up. That's when then I stand on it first thing, and that's when it hurts.
Okay. So the first step in the morning.
Yeah.
Is, wow. Okay. A little bit lift.
Yeah.
To make you taller. Okay. Put your hands over my hands. My hands, not my head. Okay, put your elbows in a little bit. Head down. Nice, very good. Okay, take some breathing. Breathe out. Okay, cool.
I cracked quite a lot
Feeling
there.
okay?
Yeah.
That's cool.